in this video, we will take a closer look at the graduation app and how it works, functionality, and how you can use it to track your credits. So the way you're going to find the app is once you're on the school website, you're going to go to academic info and you're going to scroll down and you're going to see Falcon flight status. You're going to click that link, and for your convenience, we've created an app that tells you about your progress towards graduation, dot dot dot. So basically, you're able to keep track of your own credits without having to, constantly visit your guidance counselor. So we're going to click this link to go to the app, and we're going to see this pop up. So welcome to Falcon Flights Tracker, and we're going to see Let's Track that'll pop up in 3 seconds. And okay, so this is your class progression, and it depends on whether you're a regular student, an A student, or a dual enrollment student, or you could also be a hybrid, and in that case, just pick whichever one you probably took the most classes of. So let's just go through regular first. And the way this works is you're going to have a subject, and you're going to have a class that pops up on this white box here. So we have here English ESOL 1. And you're going to get a prompt that says, have you passed this class or are currently taking it? And this is how the system will know whether you took the class and you have the credit already, or if you're currently in the class, which means you'll get the credit, or if you still have to take the class. So let's say we have a freshman who's using this and they took English 1, so they put Y. Yeah, and by the way, this is case sensitive, so Y is for yes, N is for no. So Y is for that one. And then have you passed this class? So English 2, maybe they haven't taken it because they're a freshman. So let's put no for the rest of the classes. So we have ACE English Lang, which is a no, ACE General Paper, which is a no, English Lit, English 3, and they're freshmen, they haven't taken any of these classes. And now basically you wait and the system will calculate and it will tell you almost there. You will likely have to take these classes to meet the requirement. English 2, ACE English Language, ACE Gen Paper, and you can see the next. And don't worry about screenshotting this. It saves everything to a receipt, and it will show you like the receipt or like from the whole thing at the end. So we can go to next. So next we have math. So let's say the student has taken Algebra 1A and 1B because they're freshmen. They haven't taken anything else. So no for all of these. There's a lot of math classes, but that's alright. We have college algebra, we have calculus AB, calculus BC, statistics. Okay, there we go. And you just wait until the system calculates. This one takes a while because there's a lot of math classes. And it says almost there. You'll likely have to take these classes to meet the requirement. Algebra 1, Algebra 2, FinLit, or Financial Algebra. And we can go to the next one, science. So same thing. Let's say the freshman is currently in biology, so they put yes. And then they put no for the rest of them. Earth and space, forensic science, environmental science, agro, marine science, ACE, environmental, etc., etc. And you put no for all of them. And again, like I said, it's all saved, so you don't have to try to take a screenshot or anything. It'll all be saved at the end, as you'll see. So now we move on to the last core class, which is US history. So have you passed this class or are currently taking it? Let's say the freshman is not taking US history because usually you take that in junior year. So let's say they're currently in world history though, because that's more like thing, and then they haven't taken any of these because those are upper level classes. In that case, it will say almost there. You'll likely have to take these credits: U.S. government, economics, and international history. And it also tells you this note that ACE Global Perspectives is required for the ACE diploma. And that's just there for all of them. Even if you aren't on the ACE diploma track, I'm just putting it out there because just to like make sure that kids are aware that for the ACE diploma you have to take global perspectives. So yes, and now we click this testing box which is shown up, and basically you'll be asked, have you taken the biology EOC? And if they're a freshman, they probably have not taken the biology EOC. They probably have. Did I have this freshman take Algebra 1? Yes. So let's say they took the Algebra 1 EOC, but they didn't take anything else. Okay, so now everything is into the system, and all you have to do is click notice, this red button. You can't miss it, obviously. And when you click it, you will see this transcript or receipt of all the classes you have to take. So classes needed, English ESOL 2, ACE English Language, ACE Gen Paper for English, and then you have Algebra 1, Algebra 2, Financial Algebra for math, and then Physics, Earth, Space Science, Forensic Science. Basically the same things we saw earlier, it's just saved it to this very nifty thing. You scroll down, you see the tests you need. So Biology EOC, Geometry EOC, US History EOC. And you can, this is like a thing you can write down, or like write down somewhere. And then there's this important disclaimer thing. If you click that, you get the limitations of this app. So you get, please do not use this app for official advice concerning your academic progression. This app is meant to be used solely as a tool for reference. It can make mistakes. Always discuss important topics with your guidance counselors. I'm just putting it out there because at the end of the day, the expert on this topic is the guidance counselor. Never trust just the app because the app could make mistakes, and your individual situation is, of course, it could change from person to person. And it also continues. In addition to core classes, you are also required to take electives, hope, and 2 years of a language. So these are other graduation requirements which are not in the app because those kind of vary and there's a lot of electives. So it's not feasible to code them into the app. And performing arts. So you do need one performing arts credit or performing fine arts credit. Most people get it from band, choir, even culinary offers one, and there's a load of others. Check out our list of electives on the school website, and it'll tell you whether it's a performing credit or not. And we have, due to complexities of this progressions, it's advisable to follow up with your counselors. I'm just putting that in there again. Thank you for using the Falcon Flight Status Tracker. So let's go back. So that's how the professional would have used it. And let's say like you're maybe a junior and you're actually on the dual enrollment track. So let's see how it dual enrollment. Okay, so for English, many of it is the same. So if you're a junior, you probably have taken these classes. You probably took ACE Gen Paper, you probably took ACE English Lang, or you're taking it right now, but probably not these classes because these are senior classes. And let's see what happens. So you've taken 3 classes, so it should probably give you 1 class. Yes, it'll say almost there, you likely have to take these classes. And then let's see, move on. Math has the same exact for regular. Let's say you took Algebra 1, Geometry, Algebra 2, and let's say you didn't take anything else, which many students actually finish their math credits by junior year, so this is kind of unrealistic. I'm just doing it for the sake of example. So let's see what happens here. Almost there, you'll likely have to take these classes. So it gives you 1 class because you already took 3, but you need 4 credits, so it gives you pre-calc. And then we have science, which is the same thing. BSc 2005, that's just biological foundations. If you took that, you're good. Physics, and you have met your credits, so it doesn't ask you for more if you've met the credits, because this only cares about whether you're on track for graduation. If you took more credits, that's very good. Okay, we have social studies, you have ACE International, AMH 2010, AMH 2020, economic, let's say they haven't taken it because those are usually senior classes. And it will tell you you will have to take economics, and it again gives you ACE Global Perspectives is required for the ACE diploma. And we go to testing, it's the same exact thing. These juniors are probably taking all of the EOCs, so maybe not the US history is also junior. And when they go here, since they're a junior, they don't need any more many classes. Like if you remember the freshmen, they had to take a lot of classes, obviously, because they're freshmen. But by junior year, you don't need many more classes for graduation. So, and it's the same disclaimer. So, same exact disclaimer, and that's basically that. And by the way, I did enable it, so like if like for those of you who want to like see how the app was coded, and you can see like how the app was coded, it's like the YouTube stats for nerds kind of thing. So yeah, it's just so it's there. And so that's the Falcon Flight Status Tracker app, and that's it for this video. Thank you.